It's Rachel. Happy fall and pumpkin season. With it being November and fall season in full swing, everything is pumpkin spice right now. I only thought it would be appropriate to do the cinnamon roll hack yet again, but this time pumpkin edition. All right, so let's go ahead and kick it off. It's super simple. The main staple ingredients and instructions are pretty much the same as a classic cinnamon roll hack. The only things you'll need that are different are the Pillsbury grands that are pumpkin edition. It took me a while to find these pumpkin cinnamon rolls, otherwise this video would have come out sooner, trust me. I was trying to get on this in October, but I could not find them at any of my local supermarkets. I finally popped by a Lucky's and I found them there, but they did not have them at Safeway, so I thought that was a little bit puzzling because I feel like Safeway carries all the Pillsbury products, but I guess they don't. You can also order this online. I think Walmart might have it too, so just take a quick peek at all your local grocery stores and see which one has the pumpkin grand cinnamon rolls from Pillsbury. So from there, the recipe remains actually fairly the same. We're going to add a thin layer of heavy whipping cream over the rolls, but where it departs is our mixture, our butter sugar mixture. We'll still be using half a stick of melted butter, a quarter cup of brown sugar, but instead of a tablespoon of cinnamon, we are doing a tablespoon of pumpkin spice. If you don't like pumpkin spice that much, maybe do like half a tablespoon of pumpkin spice and then half a tablespoon of cinnamon. I just went all in and did a whole tablespoon and I mixed it all up with the butter and sugar, and then I poured that over my cinnamon rolls as well. Then we'll cover it with foil and bake it off at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. I like to take off the foil somewhere towards the end to kind of brown the tops, and I also find that it actually rises a little bit more too once you lift the foil. I just used the icing that was a part of the cinnamon roll kit because I wasn't feeling super fancy. I also didn't have cream cheese at home, so I just went with the classic icing that came in the container. I spread that over my cinnamon rolls and then I added chopped toasted walnuts just for a little bit of crunch because I love adding nuts to a lot of my baked goods. I think it adds a little bit of a textural element and a depth of flavor as well. And with that, the pumpkin cinnamon roll hack was done. Super simple, very straightforward, just like the cinnamon roll hack that we know and love, but pumpkin edition. So let's get to the taste test and let's see if these fall edition pumpkin version of the cinnamon roll hack is better than the classic cinnamon roll hack. Obviously there will be some biases. If you like pumpkin spice, if you like all things pumpkin, then you'll probably like this pumpkin cinnamon roll a little bit more. I would say that I'm a fan of pumpkin spice, but I'm not one of those girls who's obsessed. I like it, I'll have it when the season is around, but I'm not like year-long pumpkin spice. I'm not like obsessed with it. I'll have it when I can, but I do appreciate a little bit of change in spices, especially in the fall/autumn. But let's go ahead and take a taste test. Oh, so good. Wow, this was a seriously good pumpkin cinnamon roll. I think that pumpkin spice flavor is extra strong because we added it in the butter, but this is so good. I would definitely recommend it. If you guys are interested in doing the cinnamon roll hack and you have a love for pumpkin and pumpkin spice, definitely do this. I think it's way better than the original hack because it has so much more flavor and depth to it. The rolls are still really puffy and have a really light yeasty texture to them. I will say that the pumpkin added into the cinnamon roll itself by Pillsbury isn't very strong, but because we added the pumpkin spice, it really kicks it up a notch. Definitely give this a try. I'm gonna eat another bite. Oh. So good. Thanks so much for watching this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you have another viral TikTok recipe that you want me to try, or maybe a different pumpkin spice recipe that you want me to test out, let me know in the comments down below. I will be happy to create a new video for that. Anyway, I'll see you all next week with an all new video. Bye everyone.